Is your Cadillac Escalade key fob not working? Don't panic. The most common culprits are simple to address. First, replace the CR232 battery. Low battery causes about 65% of fob failures. Pry open the fob carefully with a flat tool and insert the new battery with correct polarity. If battery change doesn't fix it, try the Relearn procedure for 2015 to 2024 models. Insert the key into the ignition, turn it to on without starting, and back to off multiple times within 10 to 30 seconds. Then press the lock-unlock buttons. For newer models, 2022 Plus, you may need a scan tool via the OBD2 port. Remember, reduced range or no response are key indicators of these issues. This DIY approach can save you a trip to the dealership. If battery replacement and relearning don't work, the issue might be with the antenna module, which receives the signal from your fob. Try resetting it by disconnecting the vehicle's battery for 10 to 15 minutes to clear any electrical glitches. For a more precise reset, a diagnostic scanner can recalibrate the module, typically handled by a professional. Persistent issues could also stem from software bugs. Check for over-the-air OTA updates via OnStar. Newer Escalades 2021 Plus offer a digital key feature via a smartphone app which uses NFC or Bluetooth. If your fob continues to fail, explore this digital option as a reliable alternative. GM data shows this reduces traditional fob failures by about 40%. If all else fails, especially after a dead battery or electromagnetic interference, consult a professional, as incorrect handling can trigger anti-theft modes. For 2023 models under recall, contact your dealer for free reprogramming due to BCM software glitches. These advanced tips will help you diagnose and resolve stubborn key fob problems.